In this pencast, we're going to derive the quadratic formula by completing the square. So we're going to solve ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So to first start this, we know we can't have anything in front of our x squared when we go to complete the square. So we should divide everything by a. So we'll have x squared plus b divided by a times x plus c over a equals 0. Now we also know we need to move the c over a to the other side. So we'll subtract c divided by a from both sides to get x squared plus b over a x equals negative c over a. So to complete the square, we're going to take our coefficient in front of our x, which is our b divided by a. We're going to divide that by 2 and then square it. So we would have b divided by 2a and then square. So now we need to add that to both sides. So we have x squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a, all of that squared, equals negative c over a plus b over 2a, all of that squared. So now on the left we can factor this, and we would get x plus b over 2a, all of that squared. And if you were to factor that out, you would get the original x squared plus b over a, x plus b over 2a squared. That's going to equal our negative c over a plus, now if we square this, that's b squared over 4a squared. So now we need to add our right side. So we'll copy down our left. And we know we need to get a common denominator. So if we have a and 4a squared, our common denominator is going to be 4a squared. So that means we need to multiply our negative c over a by 4a, and then add that to our b squared over 4a squared. So I'm not going to copy down the left side for a little while we're working the right, and then we'll put them back together. So then we would have negative 4ac over 4a squared plus b squared over 4a squared. So that's going to give us b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. And that's going to be equal to x plus b over 2a, all of that squared. Now we can square both sides, and since we squared both sides, we should put our plus and minus. We have b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared, and on this side we would just have x plus b over 2a. And now we can see on the bottom here that this can actually be square rooted, which would become 2a, so we can pull that out from under the square root, so we'll just have plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac and then over 2a. And now we have over here x plus b over 2a, so to get x by itself we need to subtract b over 2a from both sides. Then we'll have x equals negative b over 2a plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And so now we can see that we have 2a both in common, so we can go ahead and add these. So then we'd have x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all of it over 2a, which we know is the quadratic formula.